एक वो होता है ना लास्ट आवर्स टाइम, यू हैव टू रन रन रन, दैट सिचुएशन हैपेंस. सो नाउ आल्सो जस्ट रशिंग फाइनल चेक ऑफ द रूम बिफोर लिविंग द होटल, बिकॉज आप इतना दिन रहते हो एंड देन यू कैरी सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड यू ऑल्सो फील लाइक कि कुछ भूल ना जाओ. फाइनल कलेक्शन. फाइनली हम बैठ गए और अब जा रहे हैं. बहुत ही रश टाइम होता है, भाग दौड़, ये पैक करना, ये छूट रहा है, लोगों को थैंक्स बोलना है, बस रशिंग काइंड ऑफ. तो अभी इट्स टाइम टू से बाय बाय हैदराबाद. लव द प्लेस, लव एवरीथिंग हियर. सो नाइस टाइम, loads of memories of roaming around at so many places, and all these videos you people will keep watching for a year time. Just taken the flowers also from the Phool Mandi. यहाँ रख दिया. Flowers also I had bought these from Phool Mandi. I know कि ये इतना survive नहीं करेंगे, but I thought of just carrying.
This one is more into fresh categories.
Okay.
In this we have floral fragrance in a touch of fresh aromatic fragrance. This is the new interpretation EDT. In this we have a milder version of number 5.
Okay, the actual number 5 is this
Actual
Paris
number
one.
5 is Parfum version, which we don't yet have here right now. So after Parfum we have EDP. That's the iconic.
Okay, this is your that
Iconic fragrance, yes.
Okay, main product basically.
Original number 5 fragrance, which
Okay.
they have created.
Okay,
After some times they have created EDP version because this is very strong.
very strong. So generally the oil component is,
It is higher in this one. So they have created EDP versions.
in case someone want the mild one. So
This is the mild one.
this is the mild. And generally the stay hours also differ from this to this and this.
Yeah. Depending on the atmosphere where you're staying at. ma'am.
No. Generally like 10 hours you can claim with
All the
this
fragrances are
all.
for
10
this
hours
one.
stay.
Yeah. Not 10 hours properly, depending on the temperature you're staying.
So
The
if you are in
fragrance-
like the heat, then it may
Yeah.
go for 4 or 5 hours. kind
Correct.
of. Okay.
Depending on the atmosphere.
Understood.
generally
Understood.
fragrance.
3 hours.
Lipstick stay hours, if you're eating rice, it will go, otherwise it will stay for 10 to 8 hours straight.
Do you
We
have the tester?
Yeah, these are the testers.
10 hours. Does it stay? Because
That's what I'm saying, if you're eating rice, it will go.
give me one which has got the 10 hours stay.
These are the ones.
The,
In this we
this
have
one? Okay, this is liquid one. So
liquid with
liquid
the
is
gloss, it is, has more long lasting compared to that.
understood. That will stay for 10 hours. And this one?
This also stay for 8 to 9 hours.
No,
All
I'm
lipsticks
talking
will
about
stay.
bullet lipstick only, not the other one.
That's what I'm saying, man. If you're eating rice, it will go. Immediately if you apply, if you eat rice, it will go.
Lip should not get patchy and dry, and it should stay for a very long time. Lipstick expectation is that one, and just finding the right color. That's it. So
We have a proper description over there.
We
According
can read
to,
that.
yeah, you can see according like
what's
which
the
one
cost of this one?
is which one price 4750. Chanel they never give any discounts unfortunately.
Means no, that's not unfortunate. It's okay. Every brand has their own.
Correct.
So if I want to make it glossy one, then I can put it, right?
Yeah, for the gloss.
No, I'm just checking. Is it coming on my hand after some certain time? Little. Bullet lipstick, not that stick one.
That's what I'm saying.
So it
If
is-
you try any other brands, bullet lipsticks also, it will come stain. Because bullet is like for easy to use.
Understood.
Yeah, you have to retouch a bit.
But generally we have the very high expectation. If there is a brand and you are just spending like 4,000-5,000 for buying one lipstick, so you have very like little extra expectation in terms of stay, in terms of it should not come on the cup or something.
Ma'am, the
While
for
sitting.
expectations regarding the price wise, if you see the texture and the feeling is a different thing. For staying and life, it's a different thing.
See,
Yeah.
understood.
So you are saying like that you want the lasting wise in a bullet form, and the prices
It's
will
the
be-
bullet form, yes.
Yeah, but they didn't create it, nah, ma'am. If they
Nothing
create
is
it for the
there.
if they create it in a bullet form, then it won't be able to use in everyday wear. Because generally, as you know, if you using lipstick regularly, somehow it will like detan your lips also. So that's why they will create a lip scrub, lip primer, lip oils also. That's why the new edition
So
called
primer you put, and then after that you can put the lipstick of clear shade.
anything you can protect your lips.
Bright.
They have created multiple layers for the lips. So
Many products are
yeah,
basic.
bullet lipsticks are basically for like everyday wear.
Understood.
On a longer all day long, you can go for liquid matte. Every day for lasting wise you want, you can try the bullet lipsticks.
You can reapply also.
Correct. Retouch a bit.
Thank you.
Thank you
very
so
much.
much.
Shall we go?
Our flight is gone.
Oh, yeah. We are super late. We are the last one to. I stayed in Hyderabad for about 40 days, 40 plus days, across 3 hotels. Taj, then Marriott Courtyard. So after spending 41 days in Hyderabad, so finally we are leaving for Gurgaon, and here we are.
We go inside the cloud. And let's see if we can change.
Ve mesajına moussum karanlık yıkanın tabiatı üstüne evden eken bir kursu